Okay, so yeah, I got this. The Tukes, they call it. It's actually one I use at work. Well, the specific one, not super often, but like I have like a set of them. Um, and so I'm having this video footage of it could actually come in handy later if I ever want to put this back together. I don't know if I'll actually find my data on it, but at the same time, I think it'll be. I think it seems like a neat thing to take apart a phone. I've never done this before. Take apart a remote control and I can almost put it back together. Although if I didn't properly explain it before, the reason why I need to take this apart is since the phone literally has no way of charging. Like the gunk in the port is preventing it from even working with a regular cable. So yeah, that's a thing. Wish it wasn't a thing, but it is a thing. Okay, so let's see. We have our battery in there, which does seem a little puffed. I wonder if the puffedness is the reason why it was coming out a little. Like it could be. Definitely could be. There's also the chance that there's adhesive. I don't want to like crack this like that. Oh wait, there's still two screws down here that can come out. So any of this willing to come off. That I didn't realize that was so easy to remove, whatever this hell this thing is. But I guess it is. Yeah, like look at how I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks a little blurry on the screen, but look at how puffed that is. It's round. Why is it so round? Is it just gonna like explode on me? I don't know. Okay, so I'm met with a circuit board. And there's more writing on it. That's interesting. There's whatever that thing is out there. What's this little disc? Is that? I'm gonna look something up.